Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop and the GorFanty Steam Mop 10-in-1 Floor Steamer. Both claim to revolutionize your cleaning routine, but which one truly delivers? Let's kick things off with price. The Bissell Power Fresh is priced at $92, which many reviewers appreciate for its budget-friendly nature. Users have highlighted its effectiveness, particularly on textured ceramic tiles, without needing additional scrubbing. On the flip side, the GorFanty Steam Mop retails for $119. While some may find it pricier, reviewers love its versatility and the ability to convert into a handheld cleaner, making it worth the extra investment for many users. Overall, both products have their advocates, but the Bissell is often seen as a great value for its price point. Next, let's discuss features. The Bissell Power Fresh offers a flip-down easy scrubber, which users find helpful for tackling stubborn grime. Reviewers have noted how effective it is on porcelain floors, though some mention it struggles with deeply ingrained dirt. In contrast, the GorFanty Steam Mop boasts a 10-in-1 feature list with multiple attachments that enhance its cleaning capabilities. Many users rave about the ease of switching between functions and the powerful steam output, making it a favorite for diverse cleaning tasks. While the Bissell is praised for its simplicity, the GorFanty is celebrated for its multifunctional prowess. Now, let's talk steam temperatures. The Bissell Power Fresh features smart set steam control with adjustable levels, which users appreciate for customizing their cleaning experience. However, the GorFanty takes it up a notch with a high-temperature steam of 230 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for tough messes, as highlighted by reviewers. Users love how quickly it heats up, ensuring they can tackle their cleaning tasks with minimal downtime. The Bissell may be effective, but the GorFanty's steam power is a standout feature that many users rave about. Usability is next on our list. The Bissell Power Fresh has a 23-foot power cord and heats up in just 30 seconds, which users find convenient. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver. The GorFanty also features a 23-foot cord, but it heats up even faster at 20 seconds. Users have commented on its lightweight feel, making it suitable for all ages, which is a huge plus. Overall, both mops score high on usability, but the GorFanty provides a slight edge with its quicker heat-up time. Lastly, let's assess cleaning efficiency. The Bissell Power Fresh is known for effectively cleaning and sanitizing sealed hard floors, with users expressing satisfaction with its performance. However, some reviews indicate it may not eliminate all built-up grime. On the other hand, the GorFanty Steam Mop shines in versatility, with the ability to clean various surfaces, including carpets, thanks to its multiple attachments. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness in tackling tough messes, even in hard-to-reach areas. While both mops are effective, the GorFanty's multifunctionality makes it a more appealing choice for those needing a comprehensive cleaning solution. In summary, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is well received for its affordability and effectiveness on hard floors, while the GorFanty Steam Mop garners praise for its versatility and quick heat-up time. Reviewers appreciate both products for their unique strengths, making them popular choices in the steam mop category. So which mop will you choose? If you're leaning towards a straightforward, budget-friendly option, the Bissell Power Fresh might be your best bet. But if you want a versatile cleaning tool that can tackle various tasks, the GorFanty is worth the extra investment. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the product links in the description below.